Doug, thanks. Attorneys for Nathan Walker and Logan Chittister met in court today before Judge Roos at the Bingham County Courthouse to determine trial dates. Last month, felony charges for these former Blackfoot High School athletes were dismissed, but they still face multiple misdemeanor charges. Lauren Johnson was at today's court hearing. She joins us from our Pocatello newsroom with the latest on this story. Lauren.
Todd, a jury questionnaire is now being put together to find, in an attempt to find a jury that's non-biased within Bingham County. Judge Roos did suggest that they move the trial to perhaps Bonneville County, but attorneys were still concerned that the rivalry between the high schools would still mean that the jury would still be impartial and not fair, and so they are working still on finding that jury in Bingham County. Judge Roos told attorneys Justin Olson and Steve Blazer to have a jury questionnaire ready as early as Monday so that they could find people within the community that are separated enough from the case that they could act as jurors when the trial begins in March. Roos made it very clear that his priority is to quickly get the trials going. Speaking to Blazer and Olson, as well as Chief Deputy Prosecuting Attorney Randy Smith, Roos stated the community needs this behind it so there'll be no heels dragging in the dust on this trip. Roos also said when referring to the jury questionnaire being finalized by next week, better get this done because we're not dragging this thing out. Trial dates were set. I spoke with Olson afterwards, who felt concerned that opinions about his client have already been crystallized before the trial begins and encouraged people to keep an open mind.
Don't throw rocks when you live in a glass house. Just because you've been accused of doing something doesn't mean you've done it. There are a lot of people out in the community that have been accused of things which are innocent, and they've been convicted by the community.
Chittister and Walker both faced 2 felony counts of forcible sexual penetration using a foreign object. Again, those charges were dismissed last month. The incidents happened during Blackfoot High School's basketball season last year. A trial for the misdemeanor charges is set for Walker on March 8th and for Chittister on March 22nd, assuming, of course, that all 14 jurors will be found. Todd, back to you.
All right, Lauren Johnson. Lauren, thank you very much.